Ayurvedic medicine, they said we are not eating through our mouth, but we are eating to feed our senses. So, hi guys, this is Anne, and today we are here, not in nature, but here inside the car because it's getting cold outside. So, I'm gonna share with you what helped me along my journey, how to control your mind to change your world. So, let's continue about what I am sharing with you last time about the mind, how it works. And this is only my personal experience, so I hope na marami kayong matutunan for this explanation, and just listen without judgment kasi madali po nating nare-realize yung mga bagay kung nakikinig po tayo ng without judgment. Parang sa mga bata, di ba yung mga bata, they are growing in a supersonic speed kasi yung mga bata, they are listening without judgment. Hindi katulad pag tayo sa mga matatanda na, sa mga adult na, minsan, meron tayong naririnig sa ibang tao, pero iniisip natin, alam na natin lahat. So, hindi tayo open na mag-receive ng message kasi dinajudge na natin kaagad ng isang bagay. So, today, explain ko sa inyo how I change my mind, how I train my mind to change my world. Yung kung paano nag-change yung perception ko, kung paano nag-change yung mindset ko, na dati napaka-negative ko. So ngayon, I have my new mind. Nag-upgrade na yung mind ko compare dati. So, your mind, your brain is one of the very powerful, very greatest gift na binigay sa atin ni God. So, lahat tayo may brain. Kaya lang, hindi natin ginagamit hindi natin ginagamit 100% potentially. So, ngayon, lahat tayo may brain. Kasi pag wala kang brain, wala kang utak, naglalakad ka na dyan sa kalsada na parang isang baliw. So, ngayon, kailangan nating malaman how your mind works and how to control your mind. So, if you can put your mind to something, you can get the job done. If you put your mind to lifting up that car, well, probably you can do it. In a emergency situation, many cases have been documented about some people who have their supernatural strength out of nowhere because it is a matter of death or life. So, your mind have a tremendous power. So, why you want to control it? Can you control it? Ginagawa ko rin yan dati. Pero mahirap kontrolin ang pag-iisip ng isang tao. So, during ancient Egypt, during ancient times, there is a 7 hermetic principle, and that principle is really the secret of life. And one of the principles states that number 1 is law of mentalism. So everything is mental. Lahat ng nakikita natin sa paligid natin, it comes from the mind of someone, sa mga iniisip ng tao. So, for example, gusto ko magpatayo ng bahay or gusto ko magpatayo ng building. So, nagsisimula yan sa isip ng tao, and then it will manifested inside at nagiging reality. So, kung ano ang iniisip mo, nagiging reality. Kung saan ka nakafocus, whatever you focus grows. That is why you call it pay attention or paying attention. Because every time you are paying attention, you are making an energetic transaction. So to understand more, I will explain to you about what I've learned about our mind. So our mind have a neocortex, that is the newest part of the brain. But that is not running the show. What is our subconscious mind? So our subconscious mind govern 95% of our life. So lahat ng mga nakikita natin, lahat ng mga iniisip natin, lahat ng mga naririnig natin, nakarecord yan sa subconscious mind natin. It is 1 million times than your conscious mind. So, what you are seeing, what you are hearing, lahat yan, lahat ng na-absorb natin sa paligid, lahat ng mga frequency na na-absorb natin, it is recorded in our subconscious mind. Kasi ang subconscious natin, palagi yan nagre-record ng mga information. So, your subconscious mind, lahat ng mga naririnig natin, lahat ng nakita natin, para rin tayong, what you call it, sponge. Lahat ng mga pumapasok sa senses, sa 5 senses, yung hearing, taste, seeing, smell, lahat yan pumapasok at nare-record, nagiging program ng ating subconscious mind. In Ayurvedic medicine, they said, we are not eating through our mouth, but we are eating to feed our senses. So, ang pagkain, isa rin po